Hi guys, welcome to the demo video of Quora Attack, and in this video I'm actually going to explain to you exactly everything you need to know about the Quora Attack. In a summary, the Quora Attack is a course training by Daniel, and it's actually aimed to teach you a secret funny hack that lets you bypass Quora algorithm, okay? And this actually helps to make you or to let you earn profit or help you profit with every $10 ads you run on Quora, right? So before we go into any more details, let me quickly give you a basic explanation on how this works. Now, here is my one of my affiliate account called Seller, and I have so many products there which I sell on my own, okay, by myself, my own product. Now I wanted to focus on this one called the Income Shock. Okay, this is a product I created and it's still working right now, and you can see I've made over 108 sales from here. Now here is my one of my Quora Ads account which I run and add on. As you can see, it says Income Shock right here, and this is 27,267 impressions, 291 clicks, 53% click-through rate, $0.17 cost per click, $10.15 ad spend. Okay, I spent just $10.15, 189 upvote. As you can see, it says Income Shock right here. And if you come here, this is Income Shock, and you can see I made over 138 sales, and in total I have over 291 sales. If you calculate all of these together, I have over 291 sales in total and made over $4,299 and over 1,129 euros from this platform selling my products using Quora Ads. So this makes you understand that Quora Ads is actually very powerful if you follow everything in this video. So this product is actually going live by on the March 23rd by 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This product is going live, and this is a game changer for anyone. Okay, this is a game changer for you. And if you click on the link below, it should take you down to the sales page, which looks like this. Here is the sales page, and when this product goes live, all you need to do is to click on access right here, and you get access to the product directly. And this product is just $17 to get. Okay, it's just $17, and you get access to the front end of this product. Okay, there are also upgrades which you can check out on your own from the sales page. Okay, from the sales page or the JV page. Now back to Quora Attack. This is the members area, and as you can see in the first module, this is the introduction, and the module 1 you're actually going to be learning exactly some things you need to create, how to create your Quora Ads account, what to do, and everything you need to do. In the second module, you're going to learn how to sign up, or you'll be given some resources to sign up with. There are some landing page builders, systems that are lead sleep, Medium, Aweber, send off. You have a website, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. And also module 3, you have to sign up for an affiliate network, the best one out there. And one of the alternative right here is using Impact. Okay, Impact is an alternative to ClickBank for those countries which are like you have ClickBank restricted in your countries. You can use Impact. Okay, so and I'm actually going to show you how to which kind of products to promote, the best product that converts using Quora Ads. Okay, now I'm going to explain that to you in this. And also in module 4, you're going to be creating a landing page, an opt-in page. You can actually use your website or the kind of software that will actually be given to you right here. So I'm going to explain to you how to do all of this. Okay, I'm going to explain all of that in the course, right? The next one is Quora itself. I'm going to show you what to do right here. That is a tweak, that is an hack here, which I'm not gonna explain only until you get access. And this is one of the powerful part of the Quora Attack. And not only this, including this. Okay, this is where the magic happens. The Quora Attack, the module 6. The module 5 is all about writing content and the kind of content to write, and how to write it, where to get the content from, and how to let it work well for you, how to make it convert really well. But in the module 6, you're gonna learn the Quora Ads itself, including the hack and the tweak that makes this actually very powerful, right? So, and also we have some bonus bundles here. I have a bonus video right here that is actually that has actually helped so many people, so many affiliate right here to make so much money. Okay, it's actually a free training. Just click on here to watch the free intro video by Juno Armstrong there. Then you get access to the free webinar by clicking right here. It's actually a free webinar, right? So you can also contact me from here, reach me on Facebook or reach me on Skype. So basically that's everything you need to know about the Quora Ads. Like I said, the Quora Ads is just $17 to get. So let's just see
the upgrades, right? I have some upgrades right here, and one of the upgrades, which is actually the 5 done for you campaigns, is actually $47, and this actually means you'll get 5 campaigns. Actually, also gonna be
I think this is not for December. This is $67 right here. So that is actually we're gonna be the one to run. Okay, you're gonna give us your details and the product you wanna run the ad for. So give us the details for you. We're gonna set up the product. We're gonna set up the landing page. You're gonna set up everything that's using your own account. Or we can create a new account for you if you want. Okay, so using your details, your payment details, and you are good to go. So the last one is actually product creation mini style. So this is actually one of the best way to make money online. Know that is creating your product and getting to sell them. So we are gonna like teach you how you can actually make money by creating your own product in a mini style just in just 7 days. Okay, now I know a lot of people think that creating products is actually very tedious, but that is always a shortcut to that. And that is what you're learning. Just once you have the product launched and ready to go and ready to make weight. So this is everything you're gonna be learning, and this is 1 box to get. So that will be all in this review video. All you need to do right now is to click on the link below and that's to this product, and you are good to go. So have a nice day and stay blessed.